In this video, I am going to show you how to add BambooHR to an Authenticator app. We will start with the PC, as BambooHR does not allow screen recording on the mobile app. Once you are logged into your BambooHR account on your PC, click on your profile icon located at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. A side menu will appear. From this menu, select the two-step login option. Here, you can connect your Authenticator app to enable two-step verification. You also have the option to receive codes via text message, but for this video, we will focus on using an Authenticator app. Click on the Setup button under the Authenticator app option. On this pop-up, you will be asked to download an Authenticator app on your mobile device and scan the QR code displayed on your screen. There is also an option to enter the code manually, but scanning the QR code is quicker and easier. Now switch to your mobile device. Open your App Store and search for Google Authenticator, which is the most reliable Authenticator app currently available. Install the app and open it. You see this black screen because Authenticator apps don't allow to be recorded, but you will be able to see Add a Code option here. Simply click on it and select Scan a QR code. Use your phone to scan the QR code shown on your BambooHR account on your PC. Once scanned, a one-time code will appear on your mobile app, which refreshes every 30 seconds. Return to your PC and click Next. You will be prompted to enter the code displayed in your Authenticator app. Enter the code and click Continue. You will now see that your Authenticator app is successfully connected. From this point onward, when you log into BambooHR, after entering your email and password, you will be prompted to enter the code from your Authenticator app. Only after entering this code will you be able to access your account. This is how you can enable two-step verification and link your Authenticator app to BambooHR.